Hi guys, it's your girl Tonia once again, and I am back with another video. So this is the third installment of my holiday glam look, and this one is super easy just like the rest of them. I feel like these are easy for women over 40. Me personally, I'm 46 and I don't want to spend a lot of time on trying to get ready for holiday parties or just trying to get ready in general. I'm trying to do the most easiest, quickest things I can do to get ready at all times. So this makeup look is super easy to do. I use literally 2 shadows, and I'm featuring in this video the Morphe glitter look colors. I picked up the they only come, well, one of them, okay, let me just stop. So the 3 come as a set with Morphe's holiday collection, and then 3 more come as a set, but those are metallic shades. These are the glitter ones. So I'm gonna use this shade here on the lid, and just want you guys to see. So, like I said, I only use 2 shades from the Morphe Boss Mood palette, and this. That's it. Super easy to do. So if you guys are interested and you like this look, stay right here. But anyway, so I wanted to do an easy glam look, which I think it's going to be super easy. I think anybody can do it. And yeah, so I am going to use the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, and I'm just going to use this shade right here, which is called Patchouli. It is just like a nice tan beige color. It's matte. I like to use it all over my lid. Lately I've been using these types of shades all over the lid just to give it a base color, and it just kind of makes everything go on a lot smoother. I might still do use a transition shade, but I like this for just making everything just look smooth and uniformed, and when it goes on the lid it just kind of blends out really nicely, and there's no shadows or anything like that. And the only thing I prime my eyes with typically is concealer, because that's what I kind of like to use. I'm using a fluffy concealer brush, and that's what I like to use to apply those shades when I do those shades like that as of late. So I'm going to be using the the Morphe Boss Mood palette for the black shade that's in there, and it's called Black Magic, and which is this shade right here. That's what I'm going to be using as my transition shade, though. I think I'm going to go in with this brown here, and it's called yeah, this color right here. It's called Sparks Fly, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade, and I'm going to use my trusty transition brush, which doesn't have a name, but that's okay. So I'm going to use that shade as the transition. I'm going to throw that in my crease. Ooh, and it's a little bit patchy. Wow, it's a lot patchy. Wasn't expecting that. Oh my god. This is gonna look crazy. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora brush because it just came off looking patchy, and hopefully this can kind of help it out a little bit. Ooh. Thank God for this shade. I meant for this brush, because it kind of really helped it. And I'm just kind of taking it, this brown shade, and I'm just kind of taking it into my crease, and I'm kind of working it up a little bit. Because we're going to do a black smoky eye with a little bit of glitter. So man, I'm sad about this shade. This shade did not work well for your girl at all. Dang, that joint was patchy. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it one more time on the others. It's this shade. Like, it's patchy on this side too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me just see how patchy that is. That's just from sticking it on here. Man, that mug is just, that's horrible. Like, that looks like shit. Let me see if I can kind of work this to blend it better. Like, it literally looks like I just threw shit on my eye. Holy moly. Holy flippin' moly. Oh my god. Do you guys see this shit? I'm almost tempted to take it off, but we're gonna digress through this. Well, I think I got a little bit of the patchiness out by blending it. But Jesus flippin'. I mean, wow. Okay. Here. I'm just gonna kind of blend this right here on the outer corner just to soften up this edge here. And whew, I'm saddened by that. Like, that just kind of made me real sad. Like, how that came out. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, so that brown I wasn't really feeling, so hopefully the black will do a little bit better. I'm praying to God that it will. So I'm gonna use this brush here. It is a BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna use the black in here because, like I said, this is only a 2 shade and a glitter look. So I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of a halo eye, and if you're a little intimidated by black, don't be, because you can always blend it out. It blends. It works, y'all. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna put it here on the outer V of my eye. And I'm just gonna kind of drag it up into the crease. But it's gonna look a little messy, which is fine, because I want it to look a little bit messy for now. And then I'm gonna take my blending brush and kind of blend it all out. So I'm gonna put it in my inner corner as well. Like I said, we're doing a halo eye today. And whatever I have on the brush is what I'm dragging into my crease. And you guys, I have been wanting to do a black halo eye for holiday for so long, and I've been talking about it, and I've been thinking about it and how I'm gonna do this eye with some glitter, because I knew I wanted glitter in it. For holiday parties, you gotta have glitter. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. When you're doing holiday looks, you gotta have glitter. So as you can see, I kind of just blended it out a little bit with this guy here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with that same brush that I blended out the brown with, which is the Sephora Pro Crease brush, and I'm just gonna kind of soften everything up, just kind of soften it out. We want everything to look nice and blended and just really nice and soft. And I'm just gonna go in that outer V to just make sure it just kind of has more of a rounded look. I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be more rounded. So just gonna kind of blend it in circular motions in that area. just going to take it over here and just kind of soften up that area right there so that it looks like this. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have done both eyes. I also smoked out the lower lash line. So for the glitter that I want to use, I couldn't decide. So I have the Morphe Holiday Collection glitters from Morphe, and I couldn't decide if I wanted to use the silver one or if I wanted to use the black one, which I feel like the black one is a little bit more holiday festive, and well, I think both of them are, but the black one has a little bit, excuse me, gold glitter in it, and I kind of really want to try that out. So I think I'm going to go in with that one. So this one is called Flicker. So it's the shade Flicker, and it's their new holiday glitter collection. You can get it from Ulta, you can get it from Morphe.com, wherever you buy Morphe. But I'm going to use the applicator. This is my first time using these, so I'm assuming that they're just like the Stila ones. However, I think I might have wanted to use a deeper shade. I'm at the lighter shade now that I'm using this one. But it's okay. We're gonna make it work today. So, and I'm just gonna kind of take it on there and just kind of put it in where I didn't have any color at. It's very pretty. I will say these are a little bit more wetter than the Stila ones, but they work. I almost feel like I should have went in with the silver shade. I feel like that would have made this look really super pop. But we are, maybe I'll put a little bit on top of it. Let's see how that does. Actually, this doesn't look bad though. Like, I actually kind of dig it. I want to use this one too. Oh my god. I feel like this one's gonna make it like so much more popping on. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with the black, and maybe on the next video I'll do one with the silver. So I find that with these types of shadows that are a little bit more damper, if you just pat on it, you'll get the best color payoff. And it works better. Alright. Because now I feel like that I'm patting and it's just kind of coming off now. Okay. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of liner, pop on some lashes, and yeah, we'll be done with this look. So I'll be right back. So I have popped on the lashes, and yeah, y'all. Let me zoom out a little bit. We're gonna do the lips, and then this will be, I'm throwing a little bit of highlighter because I forgot to put highlighter on, and that'll be the overall look. So let me just zoom out a little bit. Perf. Okay, so for lip liner, I am going to use MAC's, if I can find it, Bittersweet on my lips. If I can find her. I just used her earlier, so I don't even know why it would be not in my range to find. And I'm gonna also use with that, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Peach collection, and this is the color Sunday Funday. It's a nude shade, which I want the eyes to be more of the focus, so I tend to use nude shades when I want the eyes to be the focus on my lips. But you can use whatever shade that you want. I just think that this looks so good. I tend to always go for a nude shade. I have probably hundreds and hundreds of nudes in my collection that are like different variations of nudes. I'm really liking this eye look. I really think that it came out really, really pretty. I almost wanted to use the silvery glitter, but I'm glad I kind of went with the blackish colored glitter because it just kind of ties in the overall look. So let me find this pencil real quick and we can do the lip. So I got the pencil, which is in the shade Bittersweet, and I'm going to line my lips with this because the shade that I grabbed is a nude shade, and I'm not about to be up in here looking like I ate powdered donuts. I like to take my liner and fill in on my lips a little bit, especially if I'm doing a nude. Alright, so like I said, I'm using the Too Faced Peach collection, and this is in the shade Sunday Funday. Ugh, my lips are dry as hell. That is beautiful. Wow. I absolutely love this shade. So I'm going to take my hair down and get myself all together, put on a little bit of
really pretty. Like I said, I did do a nude lip,
and I'll be back.
I think that
to
sets
show you
off
the eyes, because it makes the eyes be the focal point instead of the lips. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. I think it's perfect for a holiday party look. It's super easy to do. Like I said, it takes 2 eyeshadows and a glitter. And yeah, since this was my first time trying the Morphe glitters, yeah, these guys are pretty damn good. Like, I definitely think that these would be a good dupe for the Stila ones, and they're cheaper because like these 3 guys together are 12 bucks. So yeah, I hope I know this is for their holiday collection, but I hope Morphe comes out with more shades of these because these are absolutely phenomenal. I like them. They look really, really good. I will say that they do take a little bit longer to dry than the Stila ones, but I'm okay with that. Like, that's not something that is gonna make me not buy it. So if you guys like this look, give this look a big thumbs up, and if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I put out new content. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You could have went to anybody else's channel, but you came here. So thank you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.